Hey, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Moya with Baddies and the Bag, and today I am going to be doing my weekly budget overview. But before we do that, I do want to jump on here and tell y'all that I have two books. One is already on the website and one's going up tonight. So the first one I want to talk about a little bit is the Big Bag Saving Challenge book. This one is way cheaper than this one. Reason why is because they're both disc bounds, but one disc bound is plastic and one's metal. It's a 43-page book. So this is available on the site now. You can purchase this now. It's there. And this is what's inside. The first page is just a manifestation page, something to, you know, help you guys repeat every day and manifest money into your life. And then all the challenges start. So we have She's in Her Mood. Each page of course has their own titles. As y'all know, that's all I always do my thing. Girls Just Want to Have Fun. I have I Am a Money Magnet. I have Money Flows Easily to Me. I Am Rich in All Areas of Life. I Will Save My Money. Money Simply Falls Into My Lap. If You're Saving, You're Succeeding. I Am a Millionaire. Budget, Save, Invest. Make Yourself a Priority. I Attract Wealth. Invest in Yourself. She's Building Her Empire. Money Loves Me. You Can't Deposit Excuses. Creating the Life of My Dream. I Can Afford Everything I Want. I Can Afford Everything I Want. Mood CEO. I'm deserving of a life full of luxury. I make my money work for me. My goal is financial freedom. Chasing goals, not people. My account never stop growing. I get paid for being me. Committed to saving my money. Money is energy. Rich girl energy only. I'd rather be tired than broke. My life is abundant. I'm successful. I'm blessed. I always win. Go get a trendsetter. The universe supports me. I will be a billionaire. Positive energy only. I deserve good things. I need money, not boys, period. And that's it. So with this book, Saving Challenge book, you are able to save over $5,000. Please bear in mind these are 100% handmade, so they might have slight discrepancies, you know, a little measurement off or whatever. I try my best to make them as perfect as I possibly can. Let's talk about y'all favorite thing, the budget planner. You can place your order for your budget planner tonight. At 11:59 is when I'm going to open it. I am only doing a certain amount because this thing takes forever. So this is going to be the first batch of budget planners that are going out. I'm doing probably around only 10. I'm starting with like 10, and then I'll see how that goes. Further down the line, probably in November, I will do another batch of them. So if you guys are interested, make sure that you are ready to grab your budget planner. So this is the final product. These are 11 discs. So the discs are metals, so they are way more expensive. I paid $20 for the rings only. The rings alone cost me 20 bucks for one set. The front and the back is glossy cardstock, 80 pound, and laminated with 5mm clear laminating sheet. First, I started off with a 2024 calendar on the first page. The year is basically finished, y'all. We literally have November, December, and it's 2024. So the book is double-sided printed. It's printed on both sides, so I was able to do that because I was comfortable with the paper that I was able to get, and I did a little testing and writing on my paper and using my highlighter, and I didn't see any leak through or anything. So I've decided to use this paper, which is a premium 32-pound paper, so it's a little thick. So the calendar is the front page, then it moves into the new month, and with the new month it starts with a calendar. You get a 2-page calendar. So it's 2 pages. You could put your month here and you could do whatever, and you have a little section here where you could write some notes if you want. So next we have the bi-weekly budget. So it's a bi-weekly budget planner. Bi-weekly, you get paid 2 times per month. So you have 2 budget sheets, you have 2 expense trackers, front and back. You have 2 cash envelope closeouts. which I did a little different from the one I had. I put date, envelope, start, end, and the difference. So after that, it literally just continues the same like this for 12 sets. New month again, and then you have your calendar again, and then you have your bi-weekly budget again, and then you have your expense tracker again, and then you have your cash envelope closeouts again. When you go to the back, the extra pages are an income tracker. So you get an income tracker, you can track your income. You also have a savings account tracker, so you can log all your saving challenges, and then you have financial goals, and then you have debt account information. So you have where you can put down your debt, minimum payment, interest rate, starting balance, ending balance, however percentage paid off you are at. And then we also have a credit card tracker, and that's basically how the book ends. But I hope that you guys like it, and if you do, get ready to place your orders tonight. So anyways, let's get into the video because we don't want the video to take forever. Today we are going to be updating our calendar for week 2. Whatever was made in week 2, what took place in week 2 is what we're doing today on the calendar, and we're setting up the stuffings, the upcoming stuffings for week 3. This is the chaos that's on my iPad that we're going to be transferring into the budget planner. First, let us talk about how much money was made for week number 2. For week 2, we made $1,755. We have $1,195 that's coming from the website, and we have $560 that's coming from lashes and makeup. We made a total of $1,755. We left back $495 on the card to restock and pay my Shopify bill. So today we have a total of $1,285 that we have to put in our binders. $560, like I said, was coming from makeup and lashes. So though that $560 will be stuffed into bills, and then the remaining $725 will be going towards sinking funds, saving challenges, and cash wallet. Now remember, last week we didn't stuff sinking funds, we did high priority. So this week we're doing sinking funds, we're doing saving challenges, and we're doing wallets, and we're adding our $560 to bills. So we had 170 that we made that Saturday. If you guys remember, this Saturday last week was when we was recording the video, and we didn't make the 170 as yet. So we have the 170 to go towards this week, and that's 170. And then on the 8th we made 420. So that's the $590 that we stuffed into bills. So that's already there. What we're adding now is our $1,285, right? So the website, I'm going to put today's date for that. So today is Friday the 13th. Oh no, Friday the 13th, isn't that like a scary day? Okay, so we're gonna put website. We made $1,195. We're gonna subtract 495, which left us with $700. So the $495 was left back on the card to restock my products, to pay my website bills, to do all that stuff. So that's the reason why we're subtracting that, because we don't have that in cash today. Okay, so we're going to pay our Shopify bill with it, and we're going to restock back all the things that we need on the website to run the website, like boxes, papers to print, ink, all them stuff, binders, all them stuff. We basically paid ourselves $700 from the website. $25 came from a tip. So when I did my clients on Sunday, we're gonna add plus tip 25. So that's where the 25 came from. That makes it $725. We have a few updates to do. On the 20th of the month, we have a new client. So 120 is her bill that she's getting her lashes done. And remember I told y'all as the month goes by, more clients will book, so we'll have to update that. Yes, that's what I'm doing. And on the 21st, we have an extra $100 coming in from another client. So we're expecting an extra $220 for earnings from makeup and lashes for the month on top of what we already had. With $560 from bills, we have $700 from the website, and we have the $25 in tip. That makes it $12.85. So that's what we have for this week. So that's $18.65 so far is what's expected for the month from makeup and lash extensions. And we are going to less, so let's put $18.65 less $250 minus the $250 we already spent. So what we're going to have is $1,615. So far for the month, what's expected and what's already made, we are doing good. We're making extra money. Extra income is coming in so far. So we're glad for that. So from the side hustle, which is our website, we've already made $745 for the month. And I'm sure it's not done because budget planners are coming up, new products are coming up. So I'm sure we'll make more for the website for the rest of the month. So this is what our calendar is looking like for week 2. Now we're going to move on to our week 2 budget. Month October, week number 2. Today's date is 10/13, and for income we're going to put makeup and lashes, and we're going to put website. For makeup and lashes we have $560. For website we have $725, and the total is $1,285. High priority is going to be NA. For sinking funds, we're going to do Christmas 25. We're adding 25. For birthdays, my daughter's birthday is coming up, y'all, in November. I'm gonna make a small registry, and I'm going to put the link in the description for my daughter's birthday. It's coming up, so if you guys want to get her something, you can. You don't have to, but it's up to you. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description with a little registry for her. For my daughter, we're adding 25. Black Friday, we are adding $30. For car maintenance, we're adding a $10. For my birthday, we're adding 30. Tolls, we're adding that. For mom, we're adding 20. So this is what we're putting into our sinking funds this week. This totals to $300. Bills, we have $560, and this is where it's gonna go. We have rent, we're adding $400 to rent, which is half of it. For car insurance, we're adding $75. Phone bill, I'm gonna put phone bill, but we're not adding anything. Utilities, we're adding $35. For car payment, we're adding $50. Subscriptions and self, we're not adding anything this week. Next, we have savings. We have our ultimate challenge. That's in our iPriority book. To the ultimate challenge, we're adding $45. And for big bag savings, which is the book, we're adding $200. So for savings, we're adding a total of $245. For cash wallet, we're adding $80 for this week, which last week I did add $80 and it wasn't that bad at all. I forgot to say that we are actually adding something to high priority. We're not stuffing the binder, but we are adding $100 to my credit card. These are going to be basically week 3's videos. So for description, we're going to put makeup and lashes. We're going to put makeup and lashes bills. We're going to put sinking funds plus high priority. That's the $300 plus the $100. And then we're going to put savings plus cash wallets. So bills, we did put $560. Sinking funds plus high priority is $300 plus $100. That's $400. Savings is $245 plus $80. That's $325. Which should total to $12.85. Yep, put the $12.85 real big. $12.85. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. It is always a pleasure to come on here and do this for you guys. I love all y'all very much, and I will see y'all in the next video.